Hello devs, today we are going to see the cannot get error in the MERN project when setting up Node.js server. Okay, so first let's see the problem in Stack Overflow. It's a common error if you are a beginner, but don't worry, the dev is here to help you out. First, I am going to create this error and then solve it. So let's create a new project named cannot get and install node in it by command npm init. And after that, we are going to copy paste the code which is here, not to waste much time. Remove some things which we really don't need for this error. Simplification. And install the packages which we need, like Express.js and HTTP. सारे जहां से अच्छा. So now we will comment these rods here because we don't need them. First, we need to define app.listen to port 5000 for our application and console server is running on port 5000. Remove unused import or not required modules. Now let's run the project using NodeMon. Hit the localhost 5000. See, we are getting cannot get error. Let's fix it. Basically, here the problem is we forgotten to mention the root route. So let's mention the root route. That is slash dot. Now, after mentioning the root route, let's hit the localhost 5000. It gives cannot get error. No, see, the error is fixed and we get the response that our server is running on port 5000 and the response is let's use HTTP server with Express. So uncomment the require HTTP and do server.listen. Same like Stack Overflow. Let's hit localhost 5000. We will get the same response here. Okay. Let me show you some more things. Let's uncomment the slash API slash post dot and return these things in response. And before hitting the URL, let's comment root route. No, hit the localhost 5000. It will give cannot get because we don't have the root route now. But when we will hit localhost 5000 slash API slash post, it gives the response. This is post route. Yeah. See, so basically the conclusion is you will get cannot get error for the routes which you don't have defined. So be careful and continue debugging. Yeah. Thank you for watching.